How to hide sensitive content on X. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to hide all the sensitive content on X? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to do it. Open X on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. Open the Settings and Support drop-down menu. Scroll down a bit, select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Under the Your X Activity section, tap on Content You See. Then tap on Search Settings. Toggle on the button for Hide Sensitive Content. Once enabled, tap on the back arrow. Select Sensitive Media. Tap on Graphic Violence. Make sure you have either selected the One or Never Show This option. Again, tap on the back arrow, select Other. Make sure you have either selected the One or Never Show This option. Once you do all of the three settings, sensitive content on X will be hidden. And boom, you have successfully learned how to hide sensitive content on X. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.